Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Nissan Titan with keys inside. First, gather your tools, a sturdy wedge and a long reach tool, often called a slim jim. Make sure your truck is on a flat, stable surface. You'll want to identify the best spot to begin, which is typically the top corner of the driver's or passenger's door, near the window frame. This method can save you time and money. Next, carefully insert your wedge into the upper corner of the door frame. You want to create a small, consistent gap, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch wide, without bending the door. Gently pry the door open just enough to allow your long reach tool to pass through. Remember, patience is key here. Avoid using too much force to prevent any damage to your vehicle's paint or weather stripping. Now, with your gap established, carefully slide the long reach tool through the opening. Guide the tool towards the interior door handle or the electronic unlock button. Many Nissan Titan models have a simple pull-up lock or a push-button unlock. Take your time to maneuver the tool precisely. Once you feel the mechanism, gently engage it to unlock the door. This step requires a steady hand. Congratulations! Your Nissan Titan should now be unlocked. Gently remove your tools from the door frame. Take a moment to inspect the door and the weather stripping for any signs of damage, like scratches or bends. If everything looks good, you're all set. To avoid this situation in the future, consider keeping a spare key in a secure, accessible location, or perhaps investing in a magnetic key holder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.